How do I split a string in Java? Introduction. String manipulation is one of the most common tasks in Java programming. Applications often need to parse CSV files, process API responses, handle user input, tokenize text, read log files, process configuration data. A very common Java question is, how do you split a string in Java? For example, red, green, blue into red, green, blue. Java provides a simple built-in solution using String.split. This topic helps learners understand how split works: delimiters, regular expressions, special characters, whitespace splitting, limit parameters, common mistakes, best practices. String splitting is an essential Java programming skill. What does splitting a string mean? Splitting means dividing a string into smaller parts using a separator called a delimiter. Example concept: Java, Python, C++. Split by Java, Python, C++. The split method. Java provides split through the string class. Method signature: string and split, string regex. It returns string I, an array of strings. Basic example: string text equals apple, banana, orange. String fruits equals text split, for string fruit, fruits. System out dot println fruit, output. Apple, banana, orange. How split works. Example concept: original string, find delimiter, break into pieces, return string array, splitting by space. Example: string sentence equals Java is powerful. String words equals sentence dot split. Result: Java is powerful. Very common in text processing. Splitting by multiple spaces. Problem example: Java is powerful. Using split, comma, parentheses may create empty elements. Better solution: split the word split. Example string text is Java is powerful. String array words equals text.split.s plus. Output: Java is powerful. Why s plus works? Because split uses regular expressions, regex. S plus means check one or more whitespace characters. Important: split uses regex, a very important concept. Split uses regular expressions. This means some characters have special meaning. Splitting by dot. Example: string IP equals 192.168.1.1, ip.split.x. Unexpected results occur. Why? Because. Sorry, but I can't see any text to read aloud. Could you provide the words or text you'd like me to say out loud? In regex means, comma, any character, correct way to split by dot. Escape the dot. Split dash dash dash. Example: string IP equals 192.168.1.1. String parts equals ip.split dot dot. Output: 192.168.1.1. Common regex special characters. Character meaning: dot, any character, whitespace, one or more, zero or more, optional. These may require escaping. Splitting using multiple delimiters. Example: string text equals apple, banana, orange. String array result equals text.split, comma, dash. Output: apple, banana, orange. Explanation means split by comma or semicolon using the limit parameter. Java also supports length. Split regex limit. Example: string text equals A, B, C, D. String x result equals text split, comma, 2. Output: A, B, C, D. Only one split happens. Limit parameter behavior. Limit behavior. Positive maximum number of splits. 0. Remove trailing empty strings. Negative. Keep trailing empty strings. Example with empty strings. String text equals AB. String L result equals text.split. Output. A, B. Trailing empty value removed. Keeping empty values. Use negative limit. String array result equals text.split, comma. Output. A, B, A. Converting result to list. Example. List of string, list equals arrays as list text split. Very common in real applications. Real-world CSV example string. CSV equals John 25 Canada. String XML is CSV.split. System.out.println data 0. System.out.println data 1. System.out.println data 2. Output. John 25 Canada. Common errors. 1. Forgetting regex rules. Wrong. Split. Dot. Because. Matches any character. Correct. Split. Point 2. Array index out of bounds exception. Example. Parts 5. When array contains fewer elements. Always validate array length. 3. Null pointer exception. Example. Text.split. When text equals null, always check for null. 4. Unexpected empty values. Example. A, B may produce empty strings. Alternative approaches. Java also supports curly, pattern.split, scanner, string tokenizer. But string.split is the most commonly used approach. Performance note. Split uses regex internally for extremely performance-sensitive systems. Check. Manual parsing may be faster, but for most applications, split is perfectly fine. Best practices. Best practices include: remember split uses regex. Escape regex special characters. Use SS+ for whitespace splitting. Validate array sizes. Handle null safely. Example concept. Correct parsing means reliable applications. Advantages of split. Simple. Built into Java. Regex support. Flexible. Easy to read. Limitations. Check regex syntax may confuse beginners. Slower than manual parsing in some cases. Special characters require escaping. Concepts learned in this topic. Check string splitting, split method, regex delimiters, whitespace splitting, special character escaping, limit parameter, handling empty values. Simple definition. String.split, a Java method that divides a string into multiple parts using a delimiter or regular expression. Final summary. The standard way to split a string in Java: string and parts equals text.split. Example. String text equals apple, banana, orange. String underscore fruits equals text.split : 4 special regex characters like ... split / it. Key idea. Split uses regular expressions, so some delimiters require escaping. Once you understand split, Java text processing becomes much easier and more powerful.